Something that inspired me to get involved is, of course, being good with working with my hands. I never really liked sitting down on the computer all the time, all day long. I like getting out and about, and HVAC I think is a really good option for me because I'm out servicing, installing. I'm helping people have heat in their homes in the winter. I'm helping people feel cool in the summer. I'm even helping kids, young kids that need humidity in their houses. Just make sure everything's good for them. I'd like to thank Brad and Kate from Skills Council Canada for helping me push more towards the HVAC side. Sam from HiMark, he's the one who got me here. And HVAC is actually, personally, in my opinion, one of the best trades ever.